Welcome back, Birchouse friends. I am really excited to tell you about where you can see us next in person. We are going to be at the Beaver County Heathen Festival from May 15th to 17th. Now, this event is going to be at the Hookstown Fairgrounds in Hookstown, Pennsylvania, and it's going to run Friday 2 to 9, Saturday noon to 10, and Sunday 11 to 6. This is our first year at this event. We've never been, but it's shaping up to be a really fun event. There are going to be really talented artisans, amazing entertainment, delicious food, and of course, yours truly, the Birchouse Workshop crew. We are going to have our educational services. We're going to have our interactive educational display that you can come through and interact with all of our arms and armor and learn a little history, as well as, for the first time, we are offering a couple classes every day of the event. So we have a class on shields throughout history where we're going to discuss the different types and usages of shields from different eras and cultures. A class on 1066, the end of the Viking era and the beginning of the Age of Chivalry. And we are going to have an interactive class, Help a Knight Get Dressed for Battle, not unlike the one standing behind me. So you're going to be able to help Simon get dressed, get him in his armor, and get him ready for battle while we discuss both the form and function of medieval armors. So this is a really exciting event. We are thrilled to be going to Beaver County Heathen Festival. We certainly hope to see you there. So I'm going to put a link in the description where you can get more information and where you can get tickets. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.